Practice set 21. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. The measure of angle A and angle B are equal. If measure of angle ACD is equal to 140 degree, find the measure of angles A and angle B. Now see this figure. Angle ACD is equal to 140 given. Angle A is equal to angle B. Both angles are equal measure. Now find the measure of angle A and angle B. Now given that angle ACD is equal to 140 degree. Also given that angle A is equal to angle B. These two angles are equal. Therefore we say that their measure be x degree. Say. Now apply the exterior angle theorem. Now apply by property of an exterior angle of a triangle. Therefore measure of exterior angle of a triangle, that is ACD is equal to sum of the measures of its remote interior angle, that is angle A plus angle B. Put these values, angle ACD, angle A and angle B. We know that angle ACD is equal to 140 degree. 140 degree is equal to angle A, that is x, plus angle B, that is x. Therefore 140 degree is equal to 2x degree. Therefore x is equal to 140 divided by 2, that is x is equal to 70 degree. Therefore measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B is equal to 70 degree. In this way we solve this example. Now take question number 2. Using the measures of the angles given in the figure alongside, find the measures of the remaining 3 angles. Here given that line AD, line BE and line CF intersect each other at point O. Here given that 3 angles, angle AOB is equal to 8y, angle EOF is equal to 4y, angle COD is equal to 6y. Then find the measure of angle AOF, BOC and angle EOD. Find these 3 angles. From figure, angle AOB is equal to 8y, angle EOF is equal to 4y and angle COD is equal to 6y. Now first find the vertically opposite angles. Therefore from figure, angle AOB is equal to angle DOE because they form vertically opposite angle and their measure is 8y. Similarly, angle EOF is equal to angle BOC is equal to 4y. Angle COD is equal to angle AOF is equal to 6y. We know that vertically opposite angles are equal in measures. Therefore, these measures are equal. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to angle DOE is equal to 8y in this way. Now, in figure, these 3 angles, that is angle COD plus angle DOE plus angle EOF, all these 3 angles are in linear pair. Therefore their sum is 180 degree. Therefore angle COD plus angle DOE plus angle EOF is equal to 180 degree. But we know that angle COD that is 6y plus angle DOE that is 8y plus angle EOF that is 4y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore find the sum of 6y, 8y and 4y. या तिघांची बेरीज करा. किती होतील? 18y is equal to 180. Therefore y is equal to 180 divided by 18. Therefore y is equal to 180 divided by 18, that is 10. y ची व्हॅल्यू किती मिळाली आपल्याला? 10. आता तुम्हाला ह्या उरलेल्या अँगलची व्हॅल्यू काढता येईल. For example, angle DOE, angle DOE ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. Therefore angle DOE is equal to 8y. Therefore 8 into 10, that is equal to 80 degree. Angle BOC is equal to 4y, that is 4 into 10. Put the value of y ची व्हॅल्यू पुट केली आपण, is equal to 40 degree. Angle AOF is equal to 6y. y ची व्हॅल्यू 10 टाका, that is equal to 6 into 10 is equal to 60 degree. Therefore remaining three angles are 80 degree, 40 degree and 60 degree. In this way we solve this example second. Question number 3 is, in the isosceles triangle ABC, angle A and angle B are equal. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. The measure of angle ACB and angle ACD are 3x minus 17 degree and 8x plus 10 degree respectively. Find the measure of angle ACB and angle ACD. Also find the measures of angle A and B. Now first draw this figure. We draw this figure. Triangle ABC, angle ACD is an exterior angle. Here note that angle A is equal to angle B. We say its measure be y. And again given that angle ACB is equal to 3x minus 70 degree and angle ACD is equal to 8x plus 10 degree. Here note that in this figure angle ACD and angle ACB, these two angles form a pair of linear angles. Therefore a linear angle pair. Therefore solve this example for the value of x. x ची व्हॅल्यू काढण्यासाठी आता हे तुम्ही इक्वेशन सॉल्व करा. Therefore from figure angle ACD plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Because angles in a linear pair are supplementary, therefore their sum is 180 degree. आता ACD आणि ACB या दोघं व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला दिलेले आहे. ACD ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 8x plus 10 डिग्री. व्हॅल्यू पुट करा 8x plus 10 प्लस अँगल ACB ची व्हॅल्यू पुट करा. ACB ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 3x minus 17. 3x minus 17 is equal to 180. आता हे दोघे ब्रॅकेट तुम्हाला सॉल्व करायचे. 8x plus 10 plus 3x minus 17 is equal to 180. Now add these two terms, 8x plus 3x, that is 11x. 10 minus 17, that is minus 7, is equal to 180. Therefore 11x is equal to, आता हा जो वजा 7 आहे याला उजव्या बाजूला ने तो काय होईल, अधिक 7 होईल. 180 plus 7. Therefore 11x is equal to 187. Therefore x is equal to 187 divided by 11. Therefore x is equal to 11 ने भाग द्या, 11 1 11, 11 1 11, remainder is 7. Now new number is 77. नवीन नंबर संख्या काय मिळाली तुम्हाला 77. 11 7 77. x ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळाली तुम्हाला 17. आता तुम्हाला ACB आणि ACD या दोघं व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करता येईल. Therefore ACB is equal to angle ACB is equal to, तुम्हाला व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे 3x minus 17 degree. 3x minus 17 degree. Put the value of x. 3 multiply by 17 minus 17. Therefore is equal to 17 3 जा 17 3 51 minus 17 is equal to 34 degree. This is the value of angle ACB. Now similarly find the value of angle ACD. Angle ACD is equal to 8x plus 10 degree. 8x plus 10 degree is equal to 8x, that is 8 into 17 plus 10 degree. Therefore 8 multiply by 17, that is equal to 136 plus 10 is equal to 146 degree. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to 34 degree and angle ACD is equal to 146 degree. Now find the angle of measure of angle A and B. Therefore, we know that measure of exterior angle, that is ACD, is equal to sum of the measures of its remote interior angle, that is angle A plus angle B. We know that ACD is equal to 146 degree. Therefore, 146 degree is equal to angle A, that is Y, plus angle B, that is Y. We denote as a Y and both are equal. Therefore, 146 degree is equal to 2Y. Therefore, Y is equal to 146 divided by 2. Therefore, Y is equal to 73 degree. Therefore, measure angle A is equal to measure angle B is equal to 73 degree. In this way, we solve this example.